Menteri Ketenat kakot kakya kejelau ba AL Hack haka arpulai trik naitung la plat pat ba kakot kabala ai kerteng dual merit holders kabala tho di Dr. Esther J.E. Shongwan haka jingalang kabala long haka meba ai kompleks kabadon ha Gulf Links haka nong ba Shillong. Haka jingalang kabala long haka ni gesngi yak ni kakot kabala ai kerteng the dual merit holders kabala tho di kong Esther J.E. Shongwan ibashong basa halum syap deng shnong. Laplat pat ba Menteri Sarkar kini kejelau ba kemi ketenat kokot kakya bat kiwei di ketenat uba Alexander L. Hack kumukongsan ha kejingilang rengkat kejingdon lang i Profesor S. Sungo bat lapenya je kejingilang di Profesor Streamlet Dekar. Hashwa ban plat pat ba kini kakot kini gesni ha kini kejingilang layo jing duwai shwa ni kong N dingdo bat hadin kini layo jing kran kerpang ru har kini kakot uba M Marbanyang bat na kenong tho kini kakot ikong Esther Shongwan. Gajing temu halor gajing tho ba gajing penmi ya kena kakot di kong Esther Shongwan kalong banyarap iki kena apulia nado ki ba pulia ka kedan kelas 7 ter hado kelas 12 ban sngu tho ikiru kom pulia thamai kejuk bamenta komno banether ba demir jingmot lang paramaki ne bat ki weiru halor ki nongrem pulia ba pher hakikot jongki bat ki wei de kumjuru kakot kapasat jingmut komno ban penon kam ya lagi sap ki phong khenang ban pen bha ya gajing pulia bat banyo mat ya gajing job. Kani kakot kan pen mentoi ru shibo ni kinong hikai ki kime ki kpa ki kena pule ki kerdan ki bakam halor ki reu wat benya bat ki reu pat ba ru kumjo ya kani kakot laru ban yo de kabathet online leng ba ka Amazon, Flipkart, iBook bat ki wei ki rensan dekot.
What the book is about is in the subtitle, how to create and write your own success. This is about, it's like Madam said, inspiring the students to explore. I use 3 words to briefly describe this book. 3 words, the 3 E's. Explore, exploit in a positive way, and expand. You explore what is there inside you. What is creativity? When we talk creativity, we always think that it is an outside thing. You know, it's an outside thing. But actually creativity is in all of us. In all of us, it is there. You just have to find out, that your creative self in a small way or the other. So find that creativity and then exploit that creativity. Exploit it in a good way. Exploit in the sense that how to build yourself based on that creativity.